Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, just got the new Galaxy S23 Ultra. I didn't want to take a chance to scratch the screen or drop it or break it, so I went ahead and put the new Whitestone Dome Glass protector. It's the tempered glass. I went ahead and put that on here. My niece Sol helped me out. It was an easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy process. There's no reason for me to do an install video because if you go to their website, they have some videos that easily walk you through this process right here. It has an easy tray right here. You put the phone in here, set up the glue. It comes with two of these glues right here. It'll also come with two tempered glass protectors just in case you were to break one or mess one up, or later on if one were to break. So that's really cool. And it also comes with a UV sealer, I guess, and you'll put that on there to make the glue dry and seals it up. Like I said, why do I need to make a review video on how to install that? It's just go right to their website. I really like the Unicorn Beetle Pro subcase and the Whitestone Dome Glass protector. With both of those, I feel that this phone is well protected. And what more can you ask for? Hey, thanks a lot for watching my videos. I'd sure appreciate it if you'd hit subscribe. And like always, have a fun day. Adios.